Good morning, guys. As you could see, we are over here at Kyalami Racetrack. There's Prince, Arno and Chris. So we are actually here today for BMW South Africa's 50th anniversary. We got special entrance with Arno over here. So yeah, thank you for joining for this video. I think we're going to do some test drives later, play some sim racing and then go for ride-alongs on the track. But yeah, I hope it's going to be a cool video. Thank you for joining and let's get into it. I haven't driven the new BMWs with.
Oh, all right.
So you're gonna have to instruct me.
So yeah, just put your foot on the brake.
Yeah, it is.
And then just press the unlock button on the right hand side, and then just shift it down. No, just shift while you press, yeah. Okay. And then just the e-brake, tap it down. Perfect. We good?
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, Zulu is my instructor. Let's follow like that. He is my instructor today. We are driving the M340.
M340i.
Nice. M340i.
Yes. Oh, just let's go out.
You wanted to flash it. Oh, shucks.
Right,
You actually do instructors work at BMW yourself? Or?
Not for BMW, outsourced.
Outsourced?
Yes.
Okay. What is your most favorite? Oh, the brakes are sharp.
Yeah, the brakes are sharp.
Your most favorite experience or where you've had the opportunity to work?
I think it was. Oh, it's a bit of a tough one because we do major events.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we do major events. We did the M-Fest last year as well. So that was quite an experience. That was actually my first gig with BMW.
Wow. How did you get into it?
A friend introduced me to the business.
Okay.
And I've enjoyed it ever since, yeah.
You have a passion for cars, I'm assuming?
Oh, I do, definitely. So far, but then from BMW, my favorite has been... I'm a bit of a speed demon, so it was the M5 competition.
Oh, yeah, and it sounds insane.
Oh, my man.
I'm just doing a bit of racing, man.
Just a bit tight because we've got people in front.
Yeah, give me some space. So how long have you been doing it?
For literally a year now, because I started last year with the M-Fest.
I want to take your number so I can also get into this because I love driving.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Or even I can even introduce you to the guy he's actually a co-partner in the company itself. Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be amazing.
Yeah.
Sure, I'd really appreciate that.
No, don't mention it, man. So this is where we get to like maybe give it a bit of a, yeah.
Is this X-Drive or is it rear-wheel drive?
It's a X-Drive.
X-Drive.
Yeah, it's an X-Drive.
I've seen like do you watch any like YouTube creators? Not really.
I've got one. He was with us at the M-Fest last year.
Oh, I mean like overseas, like.
Overseas, well, I used to follow Top Gear a lot growing up, and then yeah, that's basically it.
There's a guy his channel's called Officially Gassed.
Officially Gassed, yeah, sounds familiar.
Yeah, so it's a guy based in UK, and he actually does like races against matches cars against certain cars.
Oh, okay, so like a comparison.
Yeah, and then they do drag races.
Nice.
So there was a guy with the new M5, the X-Drive.
Yes.
And he tuned it to make like 800 horsepower.
Jeez.
And literally, only thing that could beat it was a actual SBK Superbike. Any other car that came against it, like you beat the Porsche 911 Turbo that was also tuned.
Tuned, yeah.
It's insane how the X-Drive launches.
No, I'll definitely check him out.
There's quite a few decent videos on. This is a good experience.
But it's a great experience, and it's a pretty decent drive, I must say.
I actually just recently bought a 2008 Audi S3.
Ooh, nice.
So the 4-wheel drive definitely is one of my favorite features. I drove one of my friends in Cape Town he built the motor on a Subaru WRX STI. So I have about 500 kilowatts. And I drove that in January of the start of this year. Insane how much like confidence the all-wheel drive gives you. Like with rear-wheel drive and stuff, if you step on it with that amount of power, it's gonna kick out the rear end.
And it's a bit shaky, so you can actually feel it going out of the track.
That thing is just planted. Literally accelerates, no spinning, no nothing.
Wow.
We're parking in the same spot.
Yeah, or just choose any other spot. It's still fine.
Same unlock and then
Same unlock and then push it to reverse, yeah.
I know there's reverse cameras, but I still feel so comfortable using my mirrors.
I use mirrors. I don't
trust technology that much.
Well, I wouldn't say I don't trust technology, but yeah, I'd rather trust my eye.
Yeah.
In this way.
It's what I've been used to. That's fine.
Just go a little bit back. A little bit more. Perfect. There we go. Alright. Just press the P button. That's the park, and then yeah. There we go. Awesome stuff.
Thank you so much. Okay guys, we just finished our session with the M340i. This is Sulu, my instructor. Thanks for the great chats. Thanks for the info. What else would you say is keen to look forward to for the rest of the day?
For the rest of the day, we've got hot laps, we've got drifting, we've got yeah man, it's just a fun day.
It's a fun day in general.
So just, if I can invite you guys to come and enjoy with us.
Awesome. Please. We'll see you guys soon. Check you on the next spot. Cheers.
Alright.
All smiles, guys. Sien? Is it?
Ja.
You sure?
Wat wil jy doen? Ons het hier so 'n ongelukkige driver's op gedoen, dit so vinnig.
Wow.
So ons wat weer kom doen dat jy kan voel.
Okay.
Het jy ons gehoor om die trek daar?
Yeah. How was it? Perfect. It's good, eh?
Wiz. Yeah, nice to meet you guys. First time?
On an Kyalami, yeah.
Okay, same.
Same.
Wiz, go for it. You all buckled in?
Yep.
Almost a lap. Yeah. 14 bar to race of sponsorship. Yeah. So it's like big ammo.
Yeah, it's a lot.
But I mean, it depends what you want to race. Like if you want to go single seaters, it's like 14 bar. But then maybe if I actually wanted to go the GT route, which probably would have been wiser, which is like tin tops GT3s.
Okay.
That's about like 6, 7 bar, 8 bar.
And how old are you now?
26.
I'm also 26.
Oh, nice.
It wouldn't be late to do that, or is it?
Like, look, I actually fell into supercar insurance because my business partner is the president of Lambo Club, so I used to train them. Okay. So that's kind of what I do now. Okay. So then I bring like our supercar clients. Well, we do wealth management and like all forms of insurance, but there's only one other brokerage that sells supercar insurance. So
Okay.
it's quite a niche market. And then I think half the reason him and I actually met is, or why I thought I could be like a good partner in that sense, was when we have private track days, then I can still coach my clients, and then I keep that relationship, if you know what I mean. So
And if I want to do this,
it's beneficial. The M stuff, they have courses here at Kyalami. I think it's like $9,000 for the day.
okay. I've done the advanced driver.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Here comes Chris, guys. We want to see his face. See that smile.
I thought it was amazing. Oh my word.
Joe, hoe is die eerste draai?
He did break. So I was at 193, I had to break. I was loaded. You know, like, then, like, you need to cancel. Such a bad one sweeping that you actually need it.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Patrick. Round of applause to redecorating the whole kitchen.
Oh, that was fine.
Stokies.
Okay, guys. I think we're going to be heading home. Just waited in the food line for about 2.5 hours. Definitely not worth it. All the other queues for test drive, for drifting, whatever, is pretty packed. So we're going to call it a day. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I thought we were finished, and then we spotted a cool S15 Nissan outside in the parking lot. I think it's Tony, the G80 M fanatic from Instagram's car. But we are finally heading out now. We're going to go get some food. Thank you guys for joining for this video. Yeah, stay tuned for the content that's to come, because this channel is about to get spicy. Have a good day, guys. Cheers.
Memphis, man.